Google Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro unboxing videos emerge ahead of launch, Geekbench scores out. Highlights. The Google Pixel 8 series launch date is October 5th. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have been the subject of many leaks before their official launch, many by Google itself. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro unboxing videos show what's coming inside the boxes. The ASMR videos show the Google Pixel 8 in hazel and the Pixel 8 Pro in obsidian color options. The videos show the retail boxes containing with a USB Type-C cable, a USB A to C adapter, a startup guide and the phones themselves. Pretty typical. There is no charging adapter as usual. Google Pixel 8 Pro Geekbench scores. Separately, the Pixel 8 Pro was spotted on benchmarking platform Geekbench by tipster Revegnus, which revealed decently impressive scores for a Pixel phone. As per the Geekbench listing, the Pixel 8 Pro scored 1,760 points in the single-core test and 4,442 in the multi-core test. This is quite an improvement over the Pixel 7 Pro, which scored 1,444 and 3,793 points in the same tests. However, the Tensor-powered Pixels are still behind high-end Android flagships. For instance, the Realme GT5 with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 scored 2,011 and 5,305 in the single and multi-core tests. The reason behind this is because Google shies away from using the latest cores in their own chipsets. The Pixel 8 Pro will come with the in-house Tensor G3 chipset, after Google ditched Snapdragon processors with the Pixel 6 eras. The Tensor G3 SoC will come with newer cores and a new 1+4+4 layout. The Geekbench listing also shows the Pixel 8 Pro will come with up to 12 GB RAM and Android 14. The Pixel 8a was earlier spotted on Geekbench, the scores of which can be accessed here. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro pre-orders in India will start from October 5th. A price leak had earlier indicated the Pixel 8 will be $100 more expensive than the Pixel 7, and the series this year could start at $699, around Rs. 58,000.